Hello, I'm Florida Trailblazer and welcome to the woods. Welcome to nature. Here we are today in Alachua County, Florida. Exploring here at Felasco Hammock Reserve State Park. Really beautiful place here. Many miles of trails, hiking, biking, equestrian, multi-use trails. Lots of opportunities to get out here and experience this beautiful nature. Lots of rolling hills here, sinkholes, just some of the interesting features here and terrain. You'll see it on the way. And you're currently not too far from the trailhead, just starting out here, so getting in onto the trails. We will check back in just in a minute. Making our way into the wilderness, and just up ahead is some interesting history. The structure is still standing from the early mid-1900s. The old Tung Nut Depot, and there in the early 1900s, tung nut oil was a valuable crop here in North Florida. It was used heavily up until World War II or so. Had many industrial uses. It's also used in manufacturing of paints, inks, and was also used for waterproofing and coating electrical wires, things like that. So a lot of industrial uses. The tree was actually imported here from China in the early 1900s. And so here in the woods is some remnants from that time period in this industry. Let's take a look at some of this interesting history that still remains today for us to discover and learn about. Out here at the power line area, it opens up. And there's some benches here where you can sit, enjoy some of these wide open views. You can see all the different switchbacks here on the map that we've been traveling over as we go along the trail. Coming out to a power line area here, but it leads into other areas of the wilderness here. Sinkholes, interesting features here in the wilderness as we're exploring. It's really nice to see them. Hope you're enjoying the sights as well. Let's continue on into the woods. Down here is a massive sinkhole. You can see it. Right there, it opens up. There's a large sinkhole here up ahead. You can see it.